Hi, I'm Chef Matthew Francis, and I wrote this recipe. I also directed, produced, filmed, and edited the recipe video you just watched. I'm just here to be your nerdy best friend in the kitchen. If you liked it, awesome. I have a whole playlist of recipe videos I've made for you to enjoy. This recipe is actually part of a larger show I've created called DinnerViews, where I get to cook a dream dinner for some fascinating guests and then interview them about their life, their career, and their points of view on the world. All you have to do is go and click the DinnerViews playlist and watch them all to your heart's content. Down in the description box below, you'll find full written recipes to my videos. You'll also find links to follow me and all my guests, and you'll also find whatever else I forgot to mention in this little outro. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Like, I work so hard to make all this content, and it's free for you. And if you subscribe, it really helps me out. And I just would love it if you can join me on my journey as I'm creating great food for great people, and I just want to celebrate with you. And of course, engage with me, you know? I want to talk with you, I want to interact. So like this video, and please leave a comment down below because I would really love to talk to you about what I'm creating. It's what I'm passionate about. Thank you for watching. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you soon. Real soon if you click one of the links because there's more to watch. Okay, that's it. Bye.